When I was at Target today, I found the My Mini Baby Disney, and I hadn't seen this one before, so I thought, oh, I'll have to buy it and see what's in it. And there's Stitch, Moana, and Winnie the Pooh. So we're going to open it up and take a look and see what I got. This one's kind of hard to open, isn't it? Whoops. As you can see, it rolls all over. I bought 4 of the Miniverse things and Zuru things, but one of them I thought was a baby, but I must have grabbed the wrong ball out of the box because it wasn't. So I haven't decided if I'm going to open that or just return it for another baby. But I tried to get babies I had never got before. I mean, not the baby itself, but the collection. All right, let's open this up and see what we get. These are the possibilities: a baby in a cradle, a baby in a baby seat thing, a baby at the high chair, baby in the swimming pool, a bed, and a baby in a stroller. So let's see what we got. Let's look at the baby first. Oh, look. Oh, this is adorable. And look, they put a diaper on the baby. I like that. That is so stinking cute. All right. Let's see what you have, baby. Put baby there. Move that. Now let's open this. Oh, look what we got. We got the baby scale, I think. Oh, no, who knows what we have? Wait a minute. We have a Stitch little piece of clothing. I just wonder how hard that's going to be to get on. And a little cute Stitch hat. And we have a toy. I don't know who it is, but it's sure cute. See? And then we have this pad that either goes in some kind of bed. So let's open it up and find out what kind of bed. We got the cradle. Look at that. Oh, that's cute. Okay, the cradle looks pretty easy to assemble. Looks like we just stick the slats in. So I'm just going to try to wing it, and you're going to watch. Unless it gets too difficult, then I will turn it off and do it by myself. Okay. So far, easy peasy. Ew. Here we go. It snapped right in. This one should snap right in. But it wants to be harder and more difficult. There we go. And then we'll put in the little wooden board. And we'll put in the little bed. Oh my God, that's so cute. Oh, we'll put in the toy in the corner. I'll put the hat on. I don't think there's a right way or a wrong way. You see me squish the little baby. I'm sorry, baby. You're so cute. That is adorable. Here, I'm not even going to struggle with it. I'm just going to put that right there. And there you go. That was fun. I like this collection. This is a fun collection. I hope you liked it. So I got the little baby dressed. It was a few harrowing moments as the baby turned into Stretch Armstrong. That was kind of scary. I'm just taking a string off his little wrist. What I noticed about these clothes is that they actually did stay stitching around the top of the neckline. And I really was impressed with that because all the other baby clothes that I've gotten, for the most part, they're just raw edged. Well, no, that one stay stitched too. So maybe I'm lying. I don't know. Anyway, I think that was awfully cute. And there's the baby. Let's put him to bed. Good night, baby. Oops, don't get your little hand out. There you go. Maybe he's just gonna sleep like that. Do you collect mini babies? Let me know if you do in the comments. And which one's your favorite?